guys, it's Gina, and I want to talk to you now about the area rug since I just got it put down. So it's a 9 by 12 beige rug, and I picked this up because I wanted something pretty neutral that would brighten up my space. So I also still want something that kind of hides everyday messes and you don't see every little piece of something that's on the rug. Key features to know: this is a low pile rug, which I love because it doesn't get bulky under furniture, and it is easy to vacuum. It also has what I really love, this non-slip backing. Keeps the rug in place, which means you don't have to have a rug pad under it. I super love this. I do think it would wear well in high traffic areas, including like a living room and a dining room. So I want to point out again, I'm pretty shocked at how soft this is. I would say even your kids would like sitting and laying on it. And I do feel like it can anchor a really large space and kind of pull a room together. So it's a really good find. If you're looking for something neutral, soft, and practical, I'm telling you, this is a really good find.